Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty Guy. Welcome to today's episode of Decoding Nifty with me. This is the series where we analyze and decode Nifty on multiple time frames so that we are well prepared to handle the volatility the next day and we can trade with much more confidence and clarity, right? So just for starters, in case if you guys like the way I put down the Nifty analysis and explain the price action concepts, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, put down anything that you might have to say in the comments box. Right? Uh, we'll keep the video extremely short today. I had a very hectic and tiring day. Went to Disneyland, Tokyo, and it is worth the pain, but still, I'll keep the video very short today. So, just a second. Yeah. So we'll start off with what we had discussed yesterday versus what happened in the markets. So today again is the prime example of how the right analysis can save you from the wrong trades, right? So yesterday itself, I had clearly mentioned that today I am expecting a very sideways day. I had also shown you a couple of examples. You can go back to the video uh, of yesterday's analysis where I had shown that usually what happens after a big red candle is you'll see a green candle. You'll not usually see a direct continuation of it. It might happen, but usually this is what happens, and this is what you should expect. There was this big red candle around here, and what we saw was another green candle with pricing moving, staying inside this particular range. Then again around here, this was a big red candle, and then again the next day was a not exactly an inside bar. The low did break for some time, but it was still a low range candle, right? And that is exactly what we saw in today's market. In case if I would have been trading today, it would have been a clear no trading day for me. Uh, the reason again we had planned a short below this particular low with a pullback along around here. We had planned a long trade, yeah, but that did not trigger because for that long trade to be happening for us, we needed the this yesterday's low to be taken out, and then the high of a bearish candle to be taken out for the trade on the long side till around these levels, right? Right now, I will keep the analysis very simple. While I was analyzing because I did not look at the charts the whole day today. What we can see here is price is moving in. If we go to a 75 minutes time frame, price is moving in a kind of a uh, flag and pole pattern with uh, on a 75 minutes on a 1 hour time frame. The structure right now is of a lower high and lower low, except for this particular high around this. We have created a new low actually. Uh, the lower high is still pending, which we might see in case if we take some rejection around these levels. So that is something that we will plan as and when that happens. For now, what we'll keep for tomorrow. I don't know. Japan is a very advanced country, but the internet here actually sucks. It's quite slow compared to what we get in India. Maybe my hotel is not providing me with enough speed, right? Uh, for tomorrow, we'll keep the plan of action very simple. This low breaks, get a pullback, take a short, right? Now, uh, the best opening would be a flattish opening around these levels, slight gap up, slight gap down. We should see a breakdown of this particular trend line, a pullback, and then we can create a short. Long, we will only be planning only and only above this particular level with a breakout, just like yesterday with a pullback, right? So this will be the only scenario in which we'll be planning a long. Another scenario, what might happen is we might open with a gap up, and then around these levels, we might see some negative price action, and we must keep an eye on that to get a quick entry, not a quick entry, but an early entry in a trade on the short side. So around here, if we observe the price action is forming a double top, triple top, forming a or consolidating in a sideways range, then breaking down below it. That is something we should keep an eye on, and where we can take a short trade around these levels, and then we can target uh, at least this level easily, right? So This will be the brief short plan. Now there is another trade, but I do not think that that would be a good risk to reward trade. Any breakdown below this particular level. So on a daily time frame, like I had shown it to you guys just some time back, on a daily time frame, what we have formed is a inside bar, which is also a halt candle, which is what we need in case we want to continue below this. So this low of day before yesterday, or the 3rd June low, is of very extreme importance for us, and that is the reason why I have given this. So keep an eye on this level, and as and when that breaks and we get a good price action around here for shorting, we will be taking a short trade around this level as well. In case of a major or a big gap down, I will expect some volatility before this breakdown. But when this breaks down, so this is an inside bar on a daily time frame. If this breaks down and you get an inside bar or some consolidation or some pullback around on the 15 minutes on a 5 minute time frame, break of that low, you can take a trade. Now, please refer to some of my earlier videos where I've explained how to identify a good pullback. You should not take simply in case you're taking a short trade, any green candle as a pullback. There, the candle has to fulfill certain criteria. Basically, the sentiment has to be bullish in that particular candlestick which is there, which you should take into consideration if you are thinking of that candle as a pullback candle, right? So this will be the short and sweet plan for tomorrow. I'll keep the video extremely small today, guys. I hope you guys have a good trading day tomorrow. And in case you like the way I have explained the trade setup for tomorrow, as well as I explained the price action concept and my way of looking at Nifty, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with your trading friends and community. And also put down anything that you might have to say in the comments box, right? So on that note, this is your Nifty guy signing off for today. I hope you guys have a good and fruitful trading day tomorrow. But yes, just another quick point. Sorry, I had thought about it, but quickly, but forgot to mention it. On the downside, if we look at on a daily time frame, on the downside, there are multiple supports, right? So even if the market has to move down and eventually fill this particular gap which is there, it might not fill it in a very good with a very good momentum. We might see market bouncing off from certain support areas which are there. So one support area which is around which will be around 24,450 levels. Then this gap border itself in it will be a good support area. If we go down below this particular zone is also a support area. That is the reason they are still marked on my chart. So yes, be careful while trading on the downside. Keep your stop losses tight and take quick profits. Be quick in taking your profits, but yeah, and majorly basically first and primer most focus should be on the price action because price action is the supreme and all our trades are based on price action first and then we look at anything else, right? So that's it. I'll see you guys again tomorrow post the market. See you guys. Thank you so much.